My name is Andisa Dlakavu, Prophet Dlakavu of Kingdom Encounter Assembly. God has entrusted me with this vision to start and open doors of this church. It was very nerve-wracking. I was never shaken in my life the way I was shaken when I was starting this ministry. I didn't know what to do. I delayed it. But God has been faithful. God has been good to us. We have seen the power of God. We have seen His favor. We have seen it in the last sanga yabantu. To tell you the truth, we don't know what we're doing here. But this is the work of God. This is not because we are smart. It has not been because that we know how to organize. From the experience that I have in ministry, in running a church, you would have thought that it would have been easy for me. But running a ministry like this one, Kingdom Encounter Assembly, it has come with a fair of challenges, with a fair share of not sleeping, lot of prayers, lot of sacrifices that were made. But we have seen God in most darkest areas of this ministry. We have seen God in places where we find ourselves standing and we don't know which direction to go, or we don't see doors, and then God will begin to open and make a way for us. In this vision and this ministry, Kingdom Encounter Assembly, I've seen people who are coming here who were sick. God has healed them. Some of them, they were unemployed for a very long time. God has opened doors for them. They started working. Other businesses were going down or were stagnant, but God began to elevate and expand them. We have seen the love of God. We have seen people who are oppressed, people who are depressed in this ministry, coming here oppressed, coming here bound, coming here even discouraged, not knowing what to do. We have seen people who said, I tried to commit suicide yesterday, but something said I must stop. They came here and they encountered God, because this is what God has said to me. He said there are a lot of people who are coming in the house of God, but they lack the encounter. We are not standing because we are strong, but we are standing because the name of the Lord is a strong tower. This is the house of God. This is the house of prayer. We pray more than we preach. We can preach, we can worship, but we pray more than all those things. God is speaking. God is delivering people. God is healing people. God is opening doors even today. But we are marveling, we are surprised when we look at what God is able to do with mere woman from Makaza, with mere men from Kendane, from every village, small people of God. God trusts them with a vision, and God helps them to accomplish and to move this special work. If people can tell you about Kingdom Encounter and can tell you about what they have experienced here, they will tell you in that house, the only thing that we can tell you is that there is a presence of God. There is something of God in that house. There are people who are struggling to explain it, but this is what I have prayed for. This is what we've believed God for. After so many months of praying, calling for God to open doors for us in this side of Makaza and Kailecha, God has been faithful. People are receiving Christ every day. People are revived every day. And every Sunday at 10 o'clock we gather here. We believe God for someone's breakthrough, and it comes to pass.